Well, she put her poodle one time in a microwave oven to eat it. Yeah, to eat it. Oh no. No, 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 silly. To dry it. But it exploded, and they were both found dead. She must have been out of her head.
I'm a father, gentleman.